Hello guys, my name is Ananda Laila. My number absent is 3 and I am from class 9E. In this video, I will make an easy dessert with just 4 ingredients. The ingredients are Oreos, cheese, cornstarch flour, and liquid milk. Okay, then let's make it. The material we need is spatula, teflon, plastic, grater, pestle, spoon, bowl, and container. First of all, separate the black and white part of the Oreo. For the black part, put it in the plastic. And for the white part, set aside to the bowl. For the two-step, crush the black part until smooth. You can use a pestle or other heavy ones to crush the black part. Or, if you have a food chopper, you can use two. Fighting! For the 3 steps, grate the cheese. Use the grater. In this time, I only used half a slice of cheese. For the step 4, prepare the cornstarch flour, glass, spoon, and water. Take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch flour and then dissolve it with a little water and stir. For the 5 steps, take the teflon and then add the milk 400 ml. And then take the stove and then add the cornstarch flour in the milk and add the part of white Oreos and stir it with the spatula until the cream or part of white Oreos soluble with the milk. After that, add the cheese and stir with the spatula until boil. When it's boiling like this and the texture is just right, turn off the stove and wait for it to cool. Until it's cool enough, pour it into the container as the first layer. And for the second layer, give an Oreo sprinkling. And so on for the next layer. After that, put it in the refrigerator to make it cool and more delicious to enjoy. Finally guys, this easy dessert has ready to eat. Okay, let's eat. Yeah, looks so delicious. Wow. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yum, 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 yum. So delicious. You can make it guys. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.